greensandmachines.com. Gobi Aloo is by far my favorite item at the Indian buffet I go to. What it is, it's a dish made of gobi, or cauliflower, and aloo, potatoes, mixed together with a bunch of spices that turn it yellow, namely turmeric. The way I make it is pretty simple. You just cut up the potatoes and cauliflower, put it in some water. I add turmeric, and if I got some cumin or coriander, I put that in too, and then some salt. And that's it. You just cook it, and it's good. It's so good, man. I actually stopped making this stuff at home because I would just eat it all in one sitting. Like whenever I go to the Indian buffet, I always get like 3 plates of it. Like they know me there as the guy that eats all the gobi aloo.